Last night my Dodge Caravan was vandalized with attempt of theft. Yeah, not good. Let's go and see what we have, do the basic diagnostics. Let's get started. Remote entry access still works. That's good. Guys, if you're first time to the channel, please subscribe. Very appreciated that. Now you can see exactly what I found when I first saw what happened. As you can see here, we have a broken piece of Skreem module, which is immobilizers on a Dodge's, Chrysler, Jeeps vehicles, and this part is antenna, and it's not connected anymore. And now our problem, we don't have a pickup signal, and fortunately we still have that module there. That is most important. And second thing, they were not able to start the vehicle. Our immobilizer saved our van. You see there's some scuffs around the ignition cylinder, but ignition cylinder is not broken. A little bit of plastic damage. As you can see, there is a broken bottom cover of the steering column. Let's try to start it. See, it fired up and stalled in a second. Why engine stalled? Because we're missing immobilizer key signal, and that is our issue. And as you can see on the dash, our immobilizer security light is flashing. Let's read the computer data, see what we have, and go from there. And guys, when I am editing this video, I already have my Dodge fixed, and I will share everything what I did. I literally saved over $1,000 and tons of time. And we have antenna failure, of course, because our antenna is actually not connected. It's broken. And yeah, let's go down to the immobilizer, which is a Skreem Sentry Key Remote Electronic Entry Module. On this generation and older models, they call the Skim Sentry Key Immobilizer Module, or on newer Dodge products, Chrysler, they call the VIM, Vehicle Immobilizer Module. Now we know what we have to do. We just need to copy and save the data from this EEPROM chip on this Skreem module and save it to another junkyard used Skreem module, which cost $5. You don't have to replace ECU, ignition key, cylinder, program any keys. Very simple. Just find the used immobilizer, which I already found, and do the programming, and I will show you exactly in simple steps what I did, and it works great. And dealer asked $1,500 for this repair. That's insane. And also I called the local locksmith. Their cost of repair was roughly around $700-900, but it cost me small fraction of that quoted price, and I will show you in part number 2 is coming straight after this one. And I hope it will help you if you have any questions. So if you're dealing with the same issue, let me know, and it's not a big of a deal, it's all fixable. See you in part 2, EEPROM chip programming. And if this video is informational, thumbs up, and see you in part 2.